Equipping for safety at sea, high-pressure breathing air compressor. Ensuring operational readiness on board means keeping life safety equipment fully charged and ready for action. Operational significance on board. 1. Firefighting Readiness, SCBA Recharging. Recharges self-contained breathing apparatus, SCBA, bottles used by crew and fire teams during onboard fire drills or emergency fire response. 2. Enclosed space entry safety. Provides clean, breathable compressed air for personnel entering oxygen-deficient or hazardous toxic spaces such as ballast tanks, cargo holds, or double bottoms. 3. Emergency escape breathing devices, EEBD. Used to replenish emergency escape sets scattered across critical shipboard compartments. 4. Lifeboat and survival equipment maintenance. Charges compressed air bottles installed in lifeboats or specialized emergency equipment. 5. Regulatory compliance. Essential for maintaining compliance with SOLAS, Chapter 2.2, and Class Society regulations, which mandate that vessels maintain adequate means to recharge SCBA bottles or carry required spare charge cylinders on board.